Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we know that you are spending a lot of time watching YouTube, TikTok shorts, but you are getting paid for it, netting. Why? This is paradigm that has been shifted. It's time to viewers to get paid either a YouTube, not. But as we are also in this world where we need money, yes, we need to get paid for our work and for our time that we spend. Now I have a best suggestion, that is Xcroll. You can see that is also like a YouTube, like a TikTok scrolling to view your entertainment shorts, but you are getting payment for that. I mean, there are different points in this way. Xcroll, you can easily create account. You can also check there is. If you want to go for a hat, then you can invite your friends on this platform. This is also very simple. By email you can create account. And yes, there is also interface is very simple. You can also check all the YouTube features in it, and not only this, there is some extra that you are getting payment for that. What you time spending on this Xcroll, and you can download it from Google Play Store too. Yes, there are point stacking in real time. So now you can also check here we are on the interface of the website, or you can see you can spend time, you will get point. Yes, watching shows, it's really amazing, and that is also new in the market. With other countries you can also check here, don't just watch, you can earn the point with Xcroll. Yes, and there is volatile model that automatically accumulate points by watching videos without any extra task or missions. You will get dual DYOR. Basically you are getting the entertainment, and second you will get point for that. You will know about roadmap, what the team has completed in January 2025. Now what they have a mission for 2026, they have clarified it, and you can get here how much is total token supply, and when this is already large Xcroll with XCR ticker name. You can also get there a token distribution. You can find the percentage, like there is 10% for 10% for private sale, there is 5% marketing, 34% for community mining reward. Yes, there is ecosystem where you can create account. Already there are millions of people already join. So now you can join it, and now it's time for you. Don't miss out, or if you want to set up user XCR point, and then they can easily serve very soon. This is upcoming feature. And next you can also join them on the social media links like Twitter and Telegram. If you want to get information what is the Xcroll project, how it will help you to get financial freedom or getting reward for watching videos, then there is everything. You just need to come and join if you come on the AI Seeker. So in this section, you can check the complete dashboard. There are total available nodes, like limited AI Seeker nodes. You can easily come to the first dashboard, how much token you hold into your wallet, into your dashboard after creating account. You can select it, and then you can also check turn countdown. As there is also what node price, that is in $50, and their node is also going to give a new true BB20. This is possible or register wallet, so you can also register your account for the first time. So for that you can click on it, and there is sign up, very simple, put the email and password, and then you can also go ahead. If you want further information about this Xcroll, how actually they are going to give you insight and latest updates about their project, about their token, and you can also get Xcroll. That is also here where you can see do comparison, how the quality can be set down, how you can also avoid to earn points. That is also similar here. So basically, you are going to check out Xcroll and their community where you can discuss with your team. If you have any problem, they will give you response. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Talent kid, and goodbye.